Are you constantly realizing that you're out of toilet paper, laundry detergent, toothpaste, or some other household essential at the worst possible moment? Those last minute store runs don't just waste our time, they can also derail our budget with impulse purchases and forgotten items. So, I'm sharing 6 reasons why one simple tool has helped me stay more organized, reduce stress, and make budgeting easier. And it is my essentials list. If you are looking for an easy way to streamline your shopping routine, save money, and reduce that household stress, this episode is going to be for you.
Are you ready to stop the chaos, the stress, the overwhelm that's filling your life? I'm Renae Matt, and together you and I are going to build simple routines that are going to change your life. When you put these habits into practice, you're going to be able to organize your life in a way where you can be there for your family, pay off your debt, save money, your house can stay organized, you don't have to stress about what's for dinner, and you still get time for yourself. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to the Routine Advantage Podcast.
Today, we're talking all about the essentials list. And if you are new here, you are going to love this if you don't have something like this already in place. Now, in this episode, I'm not actually going to talk about how to build your essentials list because I have a different episode for that. So if you're looking on how to actually build the essentials list, you can go to episode 17. And that one is titled Stop Running Out of Toilet Paper, How to Create an Essentials List to Save You Time, Frustration, and Money. And that is the episode you're going to want to go to actually walk through how to build it. You can also go and sign up for the waitlist for my course at renaematt.com. And if you sign up for the waitlist on there, I actually have an essentials list already pre-built in there that will be available when the course launches. So if you need to build it, you can go to either of those two things to help you get started. But today we're actually talking about why it is helpful, not necessarily how to build the list itself. And what it is it's just a master list of all of your household essentials. And I want to share with you 6 reasons why I think it is helpful. Number 1, it keeps you organized. Everything that is in your home is in one list that you purchase regularly. So if it is toilet paper, dish soap, laundry detergent, Kleenexes or tissues, cleaners, shampoo, conditioner, soap, like any of those things, it's all in one list. So it helps you stay really organized on what you need to maintain your home. Garbage bags, all of those things, they're in that list. Number 2, it takes the guesswork out of shopping. When you have built your list and you are using it regularly, you know everything you are going to get at the start of the month. And when you go shopping for the month, you don't have to think about, oh, are we out of this? Do I remember? Do we need this? And you're constantly asking yourself those little questions as you're shopping. It takes the guesswork out because you've already done the pre-work. You know exactly what you need for the whole month. And that is your list. So it completely takes the guesswork out of your shopping trip, and it just makes shopping so much easier. Number 3, it prevents or reduces impulse shopping. And that is because you have everything on your list. You aren't buying random items, or you can reduce the, the temptation to buy random items because you know what's on your list. And if you are only going one time for the month rather than all these random little stops throughout the month, then it ends up reducing that impulse shopping opportunity. So you don't have as many opportunities to spend extra money, so it helps you stay on track. Number 4, it reduces stress of running out of items. I don't know about you, but have you ever ran out of something at the moment you need it? Like you have a messy kitchen and you go to wash your dishes and you realize there is no dish soap, or you are in the shower and you are all wet and soggy and you go to wash your hair and there's no shampoo left because somebody used the last of it and didn't say anything and somebody forgot to pick it up. Like those are the times where you definitely do not want to be out of the items that you need. Or if you go to wash laundry because you've got a mountain of laundry and you realize you have no laundry detergent left. Those are the things that we want to make sure we are reducing that friction by being prepared ahead of time. And this is a way that you can do that. We so rarely run out of anything that we need. Like, I can't even remember the last time that we ran out of something because we are on top of it because I have an essentials list to keep us organized. And it makes it so much less stressful because if we're going to run out of something, we know we already have it on hand. The fifth thing is it saves you time by reducing the extra stops at the store. So not only are you reducing the impulse purchases and you're taking the guesswork out of your shopping, but it's also saving you time. If you are running out of things or you're constantly remembering something that you need to pick up, you need to take time out of your day to go stop at the store. But if you can do all this ahead of time and you have one shopping trip or you have one online order that you place each month and everything comes all at once, it saves you so much time the rest of the month because you don't have to worry about another shopping trip until the following month. So it helps in so many different ways. And then last is number 6, and it helps you budget more accurately for the month. So not only is it taking the guesswork out and it's reducing the impulse shopping, but the way that I build the essentials list, it actually helps calculate approximately how much it's going to cost for the month as a whole. So by doing this at the end of each month for the next month, it allows you to have a good estimate on how much you're going to need to spend on essentials that month. So, by having that amount, you can plan more accurately for your month ahead. So, when you are sitting down to work out your budget, you know how much to plug in for essentials that month, and then you can adjust your budget accordingly. So, there are so many benefits to having a full running essentials list and to actually use it. I know I've worked with some people that have the essentials list and they're like, I just don't use it yet. I'm like, oh, it would save you so much stress and anxiety and time to just use it regularly. And once you get in the habit of using it, you are not going to want to stop using it because it just helps so much. So again, if you want to create your own, there are a couple of options. You can get on the wait list for my course at renaemat.com. Or in the meantime, you can go to episode 17, and that will walk you through step by step of how to build your own so that you can start experiencing the stress relief and freedom that you feel when you have a fully functioning essentials list to help you stay organized, reduce the stress, and make budgeting easier.
Did you love that episode or learn something useful? If so, would you do me a huge favor? My goal is to grow this podcast and help as many women as I can break free from the overwhelm so they can truly enjoy their life. The best way for me to do this is for you to leave a 5-star written review on your podcast app and to share this episode with a friend or in your Instagram stories. I appreciate you being here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care.